during the Arthroscopy fellowship under the guidance of Dr. Manu Bora sir in the Gurugram. I am Dr. Sunil Kumar Verma, MS Orthopedics, Urjit Hospital, Jail Road, Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Today I am excited to share my enriching experience during the Arthroscopy fellowship under the guidance of Dr. Manu Bora sir in the Gurugram, a program that has truly sharpened. In the fellowship, I learned about the ACL reconstruction with the fiber tape internal brace and LET. One of the key technique I learned was the ACL reconstruction using the fiber tape with the internal brace. This method add the significant graft protection during the healing phase and accelerate the functional recovery. In the cases, the complex instability, we combined it with the lateral extraarticular tenodesis LET to the further reinforcement rotational stability. And the second topic is the meniscal repair and the preservation. We also focus heavily on the meniscal repair preservation, a cornerstone of the joint longevity. I get the hands-on the experience in all the insides and inside out the meniscal repair techniques, understanding about the importance of preserving the native tissue and whatever the possible. And third technique is PCL reconstruction using fiber tape techniques. And the fourth segment is degenerative orthobiologics. Under the Dr. Manu Bora mentorships, I was introduced to advanced regenerative therapies, adipose derivative stem cell therapy applied in the early osteoarthritis and the cartilage degeneration. The PRP therapy with the growth factors, highly effective in the early osteoarthritis, ligament strains, and meniscal tears. These biologics solutions offer the non-surgical option that promote healing and joint preservation. And lastly, the comprehensive clinical learning beyond the surgical techniques. The fellowship also they strengthen my clinical decision making and right from the patient selection, surgical planning, and to post-op rehabilitation. Every case was a learning opportunity. And this fellowship has been an incredible journey, enhancing both my arthroscopic and regenerative orthopedic skill sets. I am grateful to Dr. Manu Bora sir for the opportunity and look forward to applying these insights to patient care back at our hospital. Thank you.